Ahead on Daytime Buffalo, Univera Healthcare is here with recipients from this year's Health Equity Innovation Awards. And later, you can curl up for a Christmas movie with the whole family at Shays for their free film series. More details on all that and more coming up right now on Daytime Buffalo. Good afternoon, hello, and welcome to Daytime Buffalo. I'm your host, Chelsea Lavelle. Well, today we're excited to announce the recipients of Univera Healthcare's 2025 Health Equity Innovation Awards. And joining us from our sponsors at Univera Healthcare is President Paul Valley with representatives from each winning organization. So thanks so much for coming in today, everyone.
Thanks for having us.
Of course, Paul. Let's have you start off by explaining to our viewers what the Health Equity Innovation Awards are and why Univera Healthcare believes that they are so important.
Yeah, in every community there's gaps in care, and at Univera our Health Innovation Awards are to help find partners, excellent people and organizations who help fill those gaps, to address gaps in care and health equity. We use data to try to find those gaps and partners who can help fill those gaps. So it's important to us to make an impact in the community.
Absolutely. Well, congratulations to all of you. I'm going to have you introduce yourself and talk a little bit about what you do.
Sure. So I'm Ann Battaglia, CEO of Healthy Community Alliance, and we are a rural health network based in Gowanda, focusing on improving health outcomes in rural communities in Western New York. Our grant award will fund our Caregiver Tech Solutions program and provide mothers of children with special health care needs caregiver support and technology.
Amazing.
And so often in rural communities there's barriers to care and resources. The use of innovative technology will break down those barriers and connect those moms to the care and resources that they need so they can care for themselves as well as their children with complex needs. So we want to thank Univera Healthcare for investing in rural communities.
Yes, thank you.
Hi, I'm Tara Schaefer, Executive Director of Literacy Buffalo Niagara. For 60 years, we have provided free literacy programming to adults in Erie and Niagara counties. And we are so grateful for the Univera Award and the funding to support a new program of ours that is an expansion of our DigiSkills Health Literacy Program. And that is to support individuals that are navigating the digital side of healthcare, whether that's telehealth appointments, navigating healthcare portals, and just really helping individuals with all of that extra work that goes into preparing for doctor's visits, surgeries, and what have you. And we're here to take the stress out of it. So we want to thank Univera so much for the support.
Absolutely.
Hi, I'm Deanne Williamson. I am Executive Director and founder of Upward Design for Life. And our mission is to restore hope by transforming empty spaces into homes for families in need. And we're so grateful to Univera for this award. The funds will assist us with our Healthy Home Furniture Installation Program. And that's where we go out into the community and we do the work and we furnish homes for families who are transitioning. And our donation center is at the heart of the work that we do. So the support from Univera Healthcare will help us offset some of the costs associated with having that donation center, which is a very big deal for us.
Absolutely.
My name is Eileen Kinnicky. I'm the director of the P3 Center at Niagara Falls Memorial Medical Center. We're the perinatal and infant community health initiative of the hospital. We serve the whole county, Niagara County. This funding that we're receiving will allow us to initiate a program called Hope for Every Mother, which will bring perinatal crisis coaches into our emergency department so that when a person who's pregnant or who has been pregnant in the past 12 months comes, they can get extra support, they can have someone looking out for them and connections to different resources.
Lovely.
Wow.
And I'm Joanne Hefner. I'm the president and CEO of Neighborhood Health Center of Western New York. We are a primary care provider in the Western New York area, caring for about 33,000 people. Our mission is to welcome all Western New Yorkers to high quality, patient-centered primary care. And we've been around for 38 years, ensuring that we have a healthy community, and we know that a healthy community will not happen without health equity. So the issue we're tackling is improving health equity for people who have hypertension, which is high blood pressure, as well as diabetes, which impacts Western New Yorkers and Buffalonians incredibly higher than other parts of the United States. And we know that we are implementing a program where we screen and actually address the health-related social needs of people. We know that models like this will improve the individual's health, so their diabetes and high blood pressure will get better. And we also know that it gives us information about what health disparities that each family has and what resources they need to improve. We know this works because Univera helped support us in rolling this out for pregnant people a year and a half ago, and we have seen incredible improvement in low birth weight in diverse populations, Black and brown moms and parents, and we know that as we roll this out, we'll continue to improve the health care of our community. We are the highest ranked health center in all of Western New York and one of the highest rated in all the United States, and we really appreciate the partnership of Univera to keep doing things like this for our community that we love so much.
Yeah,
Thank you.
incredible. Paul, I'd love to, our viewers are just hearing about some of these projects that are happening. Can you talk more about what this says about the power of collaboration and creating healthier communities?
Yeah, for sure. Nobody can do it alone, and we've got 5 awesome organizations and 5 people representing it. At Univera, we had a community-based organization summit a couple of months ago. We had 100 organizations trying to multiply the impact that we can have in a community in a positive way. So it makes us proud to be a part of that.
Absolutely. How big was this award ceremony? And, in the future, if there's an organization that would love to be entered and have a platform to talk more about the work they're doing, how can they get in touch?
Yeah, specifically for these awards, we had around 50 applicants this year. We had the 5 winners out of the 50. And we also have sponsorship opportunities. We have Maki grants. So there's different opportunities. At univerahealthcare.com, they can find opportunities for all of those types of support.
And, we are in the middle of enrollment time period. We've been talking a lot. We have segments on our elder community, and Univera is a great source for our community members to figure out what you have available to help them live healthier lives, right?
Yeah, we do. We are, our offices on Park Club Lane. We have Resource Center there available for people to come in for a one-on-one to help them find solutions for their own health care.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for coming in. Congratulations again to all of you.
Thank you.
Incredible work you're doing in our community. Viewers, if you'd like to learn more about these organizations and how you can support the work they do, just visit news.univerahealthcare.com and click on News Releases, or connect with our sponsors at Univera Healthcare on social media. Thanks again for coming in, everyone.
Thanks, Chelsea.